We're using BigHand now, which is a task management solution that combines with the BigHand dictation that we've had for a number of years now, actually, and uses the dictation and any other task and treats them the same, really. We put them in different streams, but essentially a task is a task, whether it's a dictation or not. Admin staff can type up the dictated content and deliver on the tasks that we're looking at. We were looking at risk, really, risk and cost, because going back a few years, it's the time when, ironically, to have a tape, which is old technology, is actually more expensive than digital equipment. So that was a driver. But also there were delays in getting letters done. There were quite frequent episodes of people losing tapes. Hardware would fail, as we can possibly recall. Tapes do expire rather unpredictably. So it's those sorts of things. I think the benefits of managing the tasks probably weren't anticipated, but once we got the system up and running, certainly the managers and the secretaries were very pleased about that. Initially, there was a concern that Big Brother might be watching them, but actually it was a way that to say if Secretary A had a massive workload and Secretary B didn't, the manager could actually, quite rightly, just tweak things around, really. So across the organisation, we have better visualisation of our workload. It helps with us producing our outputs a lot quicker. There are a reduction in terms of the risk of poor transcribing, that sort of thing. And there's a general accessibility to be able to do one's work rather than look for a machine. We use the app on a mobile device. So wherever you are, whenever you want to dictate, you can do that very quickly. I've had a really positive experience with BigHand. It comes off the back of us not really going anywhere with our digital dictation. We wanted to move to speech recognition. We're thinking, well, why aren't we doing this yet? We need to be doing this. They're very accessible, just a phone call followed by a very quick and responsive meeting. And we engaged in a process of analysing our processes within teams and broadening the assessment than what I asked for. What I saw might have been quite myopic, really, but there were so many other opportunities. So that's how we've led to engaging with BigHand now, because there are lots of gains there that we really didn't think of, we really didn't realise. But I think that holistic approach about the system itself has been very beneficial to us and helps us realise some of the capabilities that we already actually have. They've supported the implementations. The implementations have gone really, really quickly, really slickly. Nobody's had any problems with it. Everyone's been very happy with the support that's been provided.